What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while, but it is what it is, and now we're getting to it. So today I'm gonna really quickly explain my productivity apps that I think are really essential to me. The productivity apps that have helped me as an entrepreneur and as a student. And yeah, let's go. So right here you can see that this is my home screen kind of for productivity. I have just a home screen over there, and then I have my business kind of page, and then I have my productivity page. So we're gonna dive in. First app is Forest. I really like Forest because it's simple, it gets the job done. It did cost me about $3, $4 Canadian in the app store, but you can see you can pick from trees. Let me just mute those notifications. You can pick from different types of trees to grow in your forest, and each time that you set is a different type of level for a tree. So let's say like the first level for 15 minutes is like a really basic pine tree, and then the next one you'll have like for Christmas you had gifts under the tree and whatever. If you went up to 60 minutes, and you can do up to 120 minutes per session. I also really like how you can categorize them, and then there's also a forest. You can see your progress here, monthly, yearly, whatever you feel, and then you can add friends. I don't have any friends, so if you have this app, drop your user or whatever below so we can be friends on the app. I really would like to compete with other people, and I think that would be great. And then I also really love how you can select different trees and how there is music on the app. So there's actually a rainforest sound playing in the background here. I will probably get it playing for you, just so you can hear what it is. And like, I kind of associate that sound with my study and productivity time. So when that's playing, like I'm doing work. Like that's what rainforests say to me. The next app is my Alarmy app. This is obviously just a regular alarm app. This is pretty popular, pretty used. I love how you can obviously change the time to whatever alarm you want to wake up to. And then you can actually put a mission that you have to complete. So I have it I have it set to, you have to shake it a certain amount of times. You can change it to 100, 250, whatever, and then you can change the sensitivity, like how hard you have to shake the phone. It's really simple, and it's easy, and it's really nice because it's something that I have to do, and you can still put a snooze button on it. You can do math equations, as you can see too. I used to do that one, but I kind of just want the physical activity of shaking the phone for a bit in the morning, so I kind of get straight to that point. I love how you can put your own background. I made that background right there. You can see, you can't really see it fully, but I'll send it if anyone wants it. And then you can also choose the sound to wake up to, and I love waking up to the park. I think it's called park sound or whatever. It's so peaceful. Like, I hate alarm sounds. I hate them. This is so much more helpful because I'm not like rushing to shut the alarm, and I'm actually like, no, like, okay, like let's slowly wake up, because it's a gradual, peaceful, like little barks and birds chirping and stuff like that. Like, that is great to me. And you can adjust the volume. So I don't like loud alarms. Like, I wake up fairly easily, and you can turn it to you can have it vibrate or not vibrate. I don't have it vibrate because like that's just aggressive. I don't need that. The next app that I'm gonna quickly explain. Obviously, you got Google Calendar. You can obviously use any calendar. You can see that my stuff is pretty packed. There's a lot. I just put classes that I would actually have to go to, or that I would like to be doing work at, like certain things that I physically cannot move around time-wise because other people are involved or just things are due. I put it there. Even when I want to plan content or post videos or do something business related, I don't usually use this app because business stuff is I kind of consider it leisure to me because I do enjoy it, and it is something I want to do when I have the time and when I'm ready for it. So I do schedule it, but I don't use this app to schedule it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's so many different views for Google Calendar, which I really love, and I love how you can sync it kind of to everything, and it syncs with your Apple Calendar too. Like, I get double notifications, which is kind of annoying, but you get the point. And I love how you can view it monthly, daily, whatever you want to see, like the full view. I really do like this app. Color coding also. Oh my gosh, color coding. The next app this is an obvious one. I love using podcasts. Especially I'm interested in the Gary Vee podcast lately because I just like to start my morning. Well, it's a part of my morning routine just to listen and to learn something, whether it's reading or a podcast. Usually a podcast when I'm busy and I don't want to strain my eyes too much, but Gary Vee does like really quick podcasts and he interviews people that I actually like. Like he was talking to Barbara from I believe it's Shark Tank or Dragons Den, I don't know which one, the other day, and like that, I loved that because I actually like Barbara and I think she's a great entrepreneur. So that was really nice. I'm not really gonna explain podcasts too much. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just here are some of the podcasts that I kind of listen to. This is my browse discover page. I don't really go on here that much unless I'm really bored and I need something new. But otherwise, like I kind of have my set people that I listen to, or if someone suggests something to me, like I'll definitely drop a suggestion if you have one. I'm very open. Let me know your entrepreneur podcast or even school podcasts. Like, let me know. Obviously, Spotify, you know what that is. I just want to show you, like, I listen to Eric Thomas on here a lot because it's a lot easier. He does a lot of motivational speeches and he categorizes them. And usually when I'm working out, usually in the summer and I'm outside, like I'll listen to Eric Thomas while he is talking and while I'm working out. Like it's so motivational the first thing in the morning, especially when it's nice outside. Like there's nothing else you could do with your day besides Eric Thomas. Like he's great. Notion. I love Notion. I saved this one for last, I think, because I love Notion. I'm not going to explain how I set this up. If you want me to, just drop a comment below and I will make another video explaining my Notion and what I used and whose templates I took. I didn't steal them, like they were for free, I took them. Yeah, but this is my Notion. I have like a home page, I have a budget page, I have an inbox, I have a due soon. Like I just love how I can organize it with dates and colorfully and just modern and sleek, and it's really simple and it's to the point. I can use it on my phone, my iPad, or my computer, whatever floats my boat kind of thing. That's why I really do love Notion. You can do a black background, a white background, whatever. Emojis, you can put emojis in them, pictures you could see. I'm gonna be really transparent. Like my budget, I don't spend a lot because my job pays for my food and my rent, so that's just not a big deal. Then I have my recipes page. I even have a knowledge page. You can see that the YouTube planner. I'm not going to show you that because that's my videos that I'm planning. The knowledge page, like I put videos and books or things that I'm just learning about, and that's where I actually take notes instead of going into my my iPhone notes, because it's so much more organized and I can actually go by category and see like if it's in progress, if I haven't started, if it's a project that I'm trying to complete, let's say starting my business, my website. Like I'll take notes on how I want to do this and everything. This is my home page. It's not simple at all. I made it fairly complicated because I do love seeing everything in one place. This is school. I have it set to sub pages, so if you click on each of these pages you can see different things. Like this is my to-do list for all my academic stuff, which is just a lot easier for me. I even have a grade tracker, like for marks that I received back. It's just, I love my habit tracker and morning routine. I check off everything while I'm doing it. It's a lot more motivating because I have it written down in the checkbox there itself. You'll even see I set goals. Like I wanted an Apple Watch, and I did get my Apple Watch because I completed my goals for a week. So I was above 80% in completing my morning routine. So that's really like what I was trying to do. But overall, these are my top 4 apps, top 5 apps that are my favorite apps because like the ranking of importance. Like I use all of these every day, every single day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to do next for productivity or anything business related. I'm always open to suggestions. Make sure you follow my business account at shmoneyy. I'll add it somewhere on the screen here. Make sure you like and subscribe the video. Like the video and subscribe and comment if you can, because that obviously helps the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for listening. See you next time.